still got these quarters for the laundromat. Whatever you frontin', just know that it's coming back. Fraud, not the set that I claim. No Gucci, this hoodie is plain. I got immaculate aims. What's best you don't sound out my name.
Alright, you guys. Hey, it's your girl, Nicole. You know, I'm coming through with the tutorial. You know what I'm saying? Show y'all how I made this green wig. You know, I'm staying helping y'all slay every mother freaking day. Alright, now for real though. We're using this B&B Express hair. You need a dome cap. You need a wig head. Boom. Shakalaka. Yeah, it's Monday. I'm trying to stay, you know, with some energy. Okay, so basically here I'm pinning the frontal in place. You got to make sure that you pin it in place. Make sure it's flat. We can't be having no bumpy wigs, y'all. We got to make it look as flat as possible, as nice as possible. So you're going to see me finagle with it, you know, mess with it or whatever. Try to get it in place. Then you got to use your T-pins to, you know, keep that in place so that you can sew it down. Make sure you're sewing down very tightly. Make sure you are sewing down neatly. No bumps. We need flat wigs. All 2018. All our life. Yeah. Okay, so really the first, you know, couple of minutes is just going to be me sewing this down. Just showing you guys that I'm sewing it down. You know, look, I'll be trying to do my wigs, but it'd be quick because I just sew down each side and then I move on. Sorry, y'all. I was having conversation with customers and stuff. As you can see, I'm in the store where the hair is stored and stuff like that. So I was talking to customers. I was talking to coworkers. I was talking to whoever. People was going past the camera, under the camera. It was just in shambles. But, you know, I got to get the video up for you, though. I do this for you, though. So y'all better not mind. Okay. So, fast forward. Now we are getting to the tracks, and now I'm starting with the 14-inch. Now, if you guys look at the review that I posted recently, I will link it down below. In the video, I did state that this hair is a little bit thin. And because I wanted to do a blunt cut kind of bob, I wanted to make sure my ends were full so it didn't look straggly and thin in the end. So what I did was, listen what I did. I put the 14 on the bottom. I put the 12-inch in the middle. No, I put the 10-inch in the middle, and I put the 12-inch on top. Usually what I would do when I'm doing a bob so I don't have to cut as much. Really, Abigail, really? So I don't have to cut as much hair. What I usually do is put the 14 on the top, the 12 in the middle, the 10 on the bottom. So I wouldn't have to cut as much hair. But because the bundles were thin, I had to reverse it and finagle it a little bit. Excuse me. So I am sewing the 14-inch bundle. I am doing these single. I'm not doubling them because, like I said, the hair is not full. We don't got that much hair to be dealing with. So I had to single sew them, back and forth, flip over method, that type of stuff. Okay. And like I was saying, real quick, this hair did do the do. So if you want to do something where you can like experiment with color and stuff like that for the low, definitely check out this B&B hair. So here I just wanted to show you guys that when I can't talk. When I sew the hair, I go back and forth in a U shape. But then as I get towards the top in the middle, I change my direction to a zigzag kind of shape back and forth rather than going in that U formation. So I guess just watch, enjoy that. I have other wig tutorials, how I make my frontal wigs. I'll link them down below. Make sure you check them out if you're a little bit confused or if you have any more questions. I explain them a little bit more in depth there, but here I just want to show you the rundown real quick, give y'all some little behind the scenes detail kind of situation. So yeah. You gotta roll your R. Come on, try it again. Oh, that's a dub. Anyways, yeah, you guys, thank you guys for watching this video. You basically sew up the frontal to the top. If you want to see the install video on how I install this hair, make sure you comment down below, like this video, give it a thumbs up so I can know what you guys want to see. And yeah, your girl is signing out. Bah! Boom. Hey, look at. Hey. No, this is my song. This is my song.